So why this course, or why should you take this course? In my opinion, guys, especially when I started studying mass transfer, which back then it was named separation process technologies, I really had problems trying to visualize all the unit operations, all the processes, and all the technologies that we had as engineers, especially because I came from momentum transport, which was not that complex, and heat transfer, which has, well, about 3 to 5 unit operations. But separation technologies had a lot of unit operations. So for me, it was very hard to try to even imagine the units. So we started with gas absorption, I still remember it. Then we continued to binary distillation. And then we had a little bit on membranes, and I don't remember that much after that. So in reality, I still remember that I didn't have a review on liquid-liquid extraction. I didn't have that much into solid agent addition, for instance, the chromatography or mechanical separations. So this course is essentially to know what type of units operations exist in the separation technology world, and once that you know how they are structured, why do they exist, now we can start modeling, understanding, operating them, designing them, and so on. So that's why I created this course. So young engineers and maybe even graduate engineers that are working in an industry have a idea of the separation technologies, why are they so special compared to the other operations. And well, that's the main point. So more technically speaking, typically what you will see is that the main focus of any industry is separation technologies and reactor or reaction engineering. So heating and pumping and compressing and condensing and evaporating is not that complex. Creating a material balance is also not that complex, especially nowadays. But the separation technologies are very complex, or they are very cost intensive as well. You will see that most likely model, design, operate, control, or simulate those units are a little bit more interesting than the heat and momentum transfer per se. Not only that, this course is designed to be the basis or the backbone of all other mass transfer operation courses, such as absorption, distillation, extraction, humidification, drying, leaching, and so on. For now, I already have a course on absorption, some courses on distillation, for instance, flash distillation, batch distillation, binary distillation, etc. I will work in a liquid-liquid extraction course soon, and in leaching as well, and eventually humidifying, drying, and evaporation. I also want to create a course on membranes, on solid agents, and mechanical physical separations, which involve solids. I also created this course so you can understand what are the different type of unit operations, how they work, and why are they present in the process separation technology world. And I also, more importantly, this is more for you to visualize it on your head. There are several ways in which you can categorize or classify the unit operations. I have separated the course essentially into these two main categories, either homogeneous or heterogeneous processes. Homogeneous are the most common ones, heterogeneous are also common, but typically you will not learn this in a process separation technology course. For instance, homogeneous will be phase addition, creation, barriers, solid agents, and heterogeneous may be mechanical and physical separations. So this is why I created the course, guys. I want you to have a clear mind, and I'm pretty sure you will have it after you are done through all this course.